genie's out of the bottle now. Toothpaste is out of the tube, Michael. I can keep going with these cliches.
Oh, yeah. Today, we're debuting the new Topstep X Performance Dashboard. This is what it says.
Wait, hold on. Gabe, if you are ready for the demo, let's do it, though. This is pretty freaking sweet.
So I'm super excited for this. This is exactly what I needed. This is my trading combine, the 100K that you guys have been seeing on my road to funding. So this is a great way for me to demo kind of what I've been dealing with in terms of how I've been performing. And what I really love this week, we're really focused on being able to reflect and go back through your trade performance to understand what areas of improvement you have to be able to attack. One of mine that I have struggled with that I was sharing with you guys that I'm super excited that Coach T has already caught is the over trading part. But let me break down a couple of my favorite areas. So first of all, I absolutely love the way that this is laid out. It's very simple. It's straight to the point. And over each category or each little tool that, performance report tool that you have, there's a question mark that you can put your mouse over to get the quick definition of what it is. So if you want a deeper understanding of what you're looking at, this is a great place to get that quick info. And as you start to break down and scroll down further in the report, it goes through just a detailed daily account balance, a little graph, a little curve, as you might say, to show kind of your balance progression over that period of time. But right underneath that, this is what I'm referring to. So you'll get a tip from Coach T in a couple different locations, but this one, it's already caught that I have made 52 trades over 6 days. So it just says keep monitoring your frequency to ensure you're not over trading. So I'm getting held accountable by Coach T on something that I've expressed to you guys as a big area that I'm kind of battling and looking to overcome.
Really quickly, if you refresh your screen, I don't know if you throw you off if you do, that will update.
No.
It'll give you another tip.
There you go. Here's my next tip from Coach T. So every time you refresh, you're going to get a little bit of a different answer. But as you see here, my most active day is Friday. Most profitable day has been Friday, but my least profitable day has been Friday. So it seems like Fridays are a pretty big, pretty crazy day for me and my accounts. I absolutely love the calendar. So I'm familiar. There's a platform out there that I think people are pretty in tune with, and that's TradeZella, which I no longer have to pay for. So how great is it that I don't have to end up paying another $50 a month or more for something that I'm getting directly in my platform for free from Topstep X. So I'm super excited for this calendar. It kind of points out the exact trades that you took over that single day.
Okay.
So here is the
look at that.
trade.
That's called the J curve in the world of entrepreneurship. When you start a company, you kind of go through a J curve.
Below that, you just get the trade log though. So you do get the full breakdown of all the trades that you've taken under that account.
I just started dating this girl. I want to share how great a trader I am. She's wondering what I do for a living, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. So there is a toggle up in this top right-hand corner. Now, what I love about this is it gives you an ability to share a real-time updated link. So after every round trip trade that you take, because it takes, a full round trip for you to get a trade reported into this performance report. If I copy that link, let me just open up a new tab here.
So cool.
Uh-oh.
And there you go. So now they can actually select a date range too. So, but this is separate from your platform. So it's a completely just accurate. And once again, it's constantly updating every round trip trade you take. And this is going to stay available for anybody that you share. So if you wanted to share it on Twitter, that is a great way for us. If you want to share that for hashtag Power Hour or hashtag Fast Markets, you want to send your link to us so that we can maybe break down your performance report. I'd love to see us break down some performance reports of traders that share those on Twitter with us on air. If you want to, that's a great way to get featured and to share us, how you're doing. One thing I do want to just mention that I forgot to mention is it's available for all active traders in the Trading Combine and in the XFA and practice accounts. It is not yet available for live funded or on mobile. This is just going to be available on your desktop or web browser at this moment, but more updates down the road. As you know, we're constantly looking to continue development of this, but we're super excited to get this out to you guys. And we really hope you love it just as much as I do.